back to my channel, and today we are going to be doing another toy review. So let's get right into it. So I'm gonna have to go fast in this video because I gotta do something. So let's just get right into it. My cameraman's gonna be holding it. These are Lego gas masks. So this is the first one. Yeah. This is one of my favorite ones. Okay. And then the next one is this guy. And then my favorite one is this guy. Yep. And that's it. Just a really quick short video because I have to go. So eat your marshmallow kids and peace out. Oh, also one more thing. Stay tuned for another toy review video because it's coming soon. Anyways, peace out, guys. Eat your marshmallows.